Alright, so today we shall learn how to find the quadratic equations when the roots are given. In this case, x is equal to 2, x equals to 3. Quadratic equation always results to two answers. But today's assignment is not to find the answers, but to use the answers to find the quadratic. So what do? The step is take these two, we are reversing the work. So take the 2 in, so we have minus 2 equals to 0. Then here we have x minus 3 and also is equal to 0. Alright, so since both of them are equal to 0, we equate them to 0. So you have x minus 3 equal to 0. Now if you expand this bracket, you will have x squared minus 2x, of course. Then we'll have minus 3x plus 6. That would be equal to 0. So if you collect like terms, you will have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic whose roots are given to be x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Let's look at another example. Examples are x equals to 1 over 2 and x equals to 2 over 3. These are the roots. So first of all, we have to cross multiply here. Then we'll have 2x equals to 1. Cross multiply here as well. We have 3x equals to 2. Then we'll move the 1 to the left hand side. So we have 2x minus 1 equals to 0. We'll move the plus 2 to the right hand side, left hand side rather. We have 3x minus 2 equals to 0 as well. Okay, so we equate both of them to 0. So we have 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 2. Close bracket and equate them to 0. So if we are expanding, 2x times minus 2 will give us 2x times 3x first will give you 6x squared. Then we'll have 2x times minus 2, that will give us minus 4x. Minus 1 times plus 3x will give you minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 2 will give us plus 2. That will be equal to 0. Collecting like terms at the middle, we have 6x squared minus 7x plus 2. That will give us 0. So these are actually the quadratic whose roots are given to be x equals to 1 over 2 and x equals to 2 over 3. Let's see another one. Alright, so the next examples we have is this, and we have to find the quadratic whose roots are given. First of all, cross multiply. The 3 multiplies x, we have 3x equals to minus 2. On the other hand, we have 2 multiplying x, so we have 2x equals to 1. Next thing to do is to send the minus 2 inside. We have it as plus 2 equal to 0. Then this other hand, we have 2x minus 1 and it's equal to 0. Here, the two left hand side will be equated to 0. So we have it as this. Then 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So we expand. 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. 3x times minus 1 will give you minus 3x. Minus 3x plus 2 times 2x will give us plus 4x. Then plus times minus will give you minus. 2 times 1 will give you 2, and everything is equal to 0. Collecting like terms at the middle, we will have 6x squared minus 3 plus 4 will give you plus 1. So we are writing only x, as 1x minus 2, and this is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic whose roots are given above. Let's see another example.